Okay, a quick video trip around 1963 Alcort Sunfish CHIP. We put on the 4 bottom panels today and attached the keel strip. The bottom panels are fastened with thickened epoxy adhesive THIXO. That's what you see oozing out of that scarf joint there. So that's all along the seam, and then there's some ring shank nails every 2 inches around the sides and then down the keel. The keel strips screwed on with silicone bronze screws, and we'll let everything dry up before we start creating a lot of sawdust. Next step will be to trim the excess that's along the edge of the panel. What we're going to do now before we close up carriage house for the evening is put down a piece of plastic across that scarf joint, put a couple of pieces of wood on it, and take a strap and light strap and strap down just a tiny amount of pressure to make sure there's not it's nice and flat and not any bumps. So CHIP has a new bottom. Thinking in theory be watertight, but we'll put a little primer on and some paint before we test that up.